Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelin bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian province of the Antilles, through the Salesian Foundation Don Bosco, presented the study Diagnosis of Professional Needs and Requirements for the Development of the Province of La Vega as part of the project Social and Work Integration of Young People at Risk and Vulnerability in the Dominican Republic, funded by the European Union through the Spanish Agency for International Development Cooperation, AECID. The study is aimed at identifying the professional needs of the province, highlighting the technical areas that need to be strengthened, and re-evaluating the academic offer of the vocational training centers. The study showed that the province of La Vega is characterized by its high impact on national agro-pastoral production and the presence of mountain tourism, farms and industries operating in a free zone, as well as for its culture expressed every year in the local carnival of national and international importance. Last June, the Catholic University Don Bosco UCDB of Campo Grande accepted the challenge of hosting a drive-in vaccination center on its campus, the first and only one in the northern region of the city. In just 5 months of operation, the center has administered 1 lakh doses of vaccines against COVID-19 in a service that has resulted in a sharp decline in the transmission of the virus, hospitalizations and deaths from the disease. All this success has been possible because hundreds of people have collaborated with great commitment and without fear to operate the UCDB drive-in system. And to thank all of them and celebrate the milestone of 100,000 doses on Monday, 6 December at 8:30 local time, some tribute pins are delivered to the volunteers. The Councillor for the South Asia region, Father Biju Michael, and the Superior of the Salesian province of Trichy INT, Father Agilan Sapra Sadam, unveiled the logo for the 25 years of foundation of the province, which will be celebrated in 2024. The Salesian province INT was born on August 5, 1999, with the clear mission of centralizing the peripheries. After laying its foundation, the province grew territorially and numerically. In 1999, he had 19 presences, of which 8 canonically erected, and 148 Salesians, 54 priests, 7 coadjutors, and 87 clerics. Currently, it has 31 presences, of which 27 canonically erected, with 243 Salesians, 151 priests, 8 coadjutors, and 84 young Salesians. Its line of action are in the human, spiritual, social, and ecological spheres. On Sunday, December 5th, at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Nairobi, where a relic of Don Bosco is kept, 3 young Salesians of the 152nd Salesian Missionary Expedition received the missionary crosses. Emmanuel Jeremiah Ganda from Tanzania was assigned to the province of Manaus in Brazil. Peter Trant Quang Troy and Joseph Trant Tuant Thien Truc, both Vietnamese, were assigned to the Sudan delegation. In his speech at the delivery of the missionary crosses, Father Simon Asira, Superior of the East Africa Province, praised the young Salesians for their courage and generosity towards the Church and the Salesian congregation. From 3rd to 6th December, Father Alfred Marivella, General Councillor for the Missions, visited Algeria at the invitation of the Metropolitan Archbishop of Algiers, Monsignor Paul Jacques Maria Desfarges, S.J. During the visit, he had the opportunity to meet the Apostolic Nuncio in Algeria, Monsignor Curient Matthew Vallunkel, the Jesuit fathers, and visit the center Ciara, which prepares young people with short training courses for welders, electricians, and mechanics. During the visit, Father Maravilla was accompanied by Father Domenico Paterno, Director of the Salesian Community of Manoba, Tunisia. Led by Salesian Coadjutor Alois Versley, the members of the AMA project team, itinerant missionary assistants, arrived in recent days in the municipality of Campinapolis to carry out the maintenance of the artisan wells of 7 Zavante villages in the area. At this time of year, rains and thunderstorms are frequent in the region, and lightning very often causes damage to well pumps, leaving communities without drinking water. The waters of the rivers, precisely because of the rains, become muddy and unsuitable for human consumption, putting at risk the health of indigenous peoples, especially children. The AMA project is a department of the Salesian Mission of Mato Grosso, province of Brazil, Campo Grande, which aims to provide technical support to the work of Salesians who work in missions with indigenous peoples, in particular with the Zavante and Bororo ethnic groups. Synodality is the watchword in the church at this time. And in the last 2 weeks of November, here at the Salesian headquarters, we experience a particularly intense moment of what can only be defined as a synodal experience, and experience of walking together as brothers. The General Counsellor for Formation, Father Ivo Shillong, today offers the readers of ANTS his reflection on the experience achieved in the meeting for the revision of the Salesian ratio held in Rome from 15 to 28 November 2021. The meeting was part of the process of revision of the Salesian ratio requested by the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime. After almost 2 years of preparation, consultation and study, and after the questionnaires sent to all the conference Salesian communities and educational pastoral communities, a group of 21 conference from all over the world met to listen to the feedback, interpret it and synthesize it so as to facilitate the next step, that of the drafting of the new ratio. Bosconet India has organized one-day orientation programs across India for civil society organizations, CSOs, to promote awareness and assist the weaker sections of society to avail their entitlements and welfare schemes in the last 2 months. The sessions were for selected training of trainers, TOTs and CSOs in the following cities: Chennai and Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, Delhi and Goa. The orientation program was conducted by Louis Manohar, National Coordinator Bosconet, over 5 modules under the project: participatory approach, advocacy skills, lobbying skills, negotiations, strategies and skills, and right to government welfare schemes. The program gives access to more than 2 lakh people their rightful benefits from various welfare schemes, both at the central and state government across the country. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.